Gravedigger Spin Master Monster Jam. The Gravedigger 30th Anniversary Edition in Series 36. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other trucks in this series. The other trucks in this series is Blue Thunder, Dragon, Earthshaker, Fastro Van, Mohawk Warrior, Night Storm, Monster Mutt, or Rottweiler, that is, the body, and Tempest Steed. So let's go ahead and unbox the 30th anniversary of Gravedigger. Gravedigger out of the package now with the BKT lettering on the tires. We get a metal base of the truck, then the roll cage is plastic, and then I'm guessing then that the body is plastic, because whenever they do the metal base, usually in the past, then the body is plastic. And what is so important to this is they got the correct way of how it was back when Gravedigger had its 30th anniversary, with the Gravedigger, the name of the truck, and the creature's face on the side of the truck is a 3D, so it pops out from the rest of the body, which is very cool. And then we come to the front of the truck with those red headlights, the flame job, it's looking good. And then on to the other side, and we can see then the 30th anniversary on the side of the truck, and then the moon back there. On top here, it says "Bad to the Bone" for 30 years. And then the tombstones on it, I can make out the 2000 Freestyle Champion, 2004 Racing Champion, 2006 Racing Champion, and 2010 Racing Champion. So this is the tombstones on top of the truck. And so this pretty much ends it, the review for the 30th anniversary of the Gravedigger. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing, and hopefully if you like Gravedigger and collecting it, hopefully you'll enjoy adding this Gravedigger to your collection. Thank you for tuning in.